In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backtest a trading strategy on TradingView. If you're looking to refine your trading strategy and make informed decisions, understanding how to backtest is an essential skill. It allows you to see how a strategy would have performed in the past using historical data. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to go to your TradingView chart. If you haven't already, log into your TradingView account and open the chart you want to work with. TradingView is a powerful platform for creating and testing trading strategies thanks to its user-friendly interface and extensive charting tools. Now, once your chart is open, direct your attention to the lower right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find a button labeled Product. Click on that to access additional features that TradingView offers. Next, you want to open the Pine editor. This feature is crucial because it's where you will write the script for your backtest. The Pine editor can be accessed by clicking on its tab, usually located at the bottom of the screen. PineScript is a programming language created by TradingView, designed specifically for developing custom technical indicators and strategies. With the Pine editor open, it's time to type in your script for backtesting. If you already have a script prepared, you can paste it here. Otherwise, you'll need to write one from scratch. When writing your script, ensure you define the entry and exit conditions for your trades clearly. This might involve specifying conditions based on technical indicators or certain price movements. If you're new to scripting in Pine, don't worry. TradingView provides numerous resources and community examples to help you get started. You might not get it perfect the first time, and that's okay. Testing and refining your script based on the results is all part of the learning process. Once you have your script ready, you can apply it to the chart. This will allow you to see the potential trades your strategy would have made over the selected time period, and more importantly, how successful those trades would have been. Pay attention to the results and make adjustments as necessary. Remember, backtesting is a powerful tool, but it's not infallible. Past performance is not always indicative of future results, so use this process as a guide rather than a guarantee. And there you have it. You now know how to backtest a trading strategy on TradingView. By regularly testing and refining your strategies, you'll be better equipped to navigate the ever-changing markets. Thanks for watching and happy trading.